Hi everyone, welcome to Everyday with Nara. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ideas to keep your kids engaged this summer. And the first one is berry picking. And honestly guys, this was so much fun. We saw so many fruits, from pears that were so gorgeous and so succulent looking. Oh my god. We saw even this little berries that were blue in color. And the beauty of this, guys, is that she got to learn about the names of the fruits. She got to really enjoy herself. Like, you can see her laughing here. And please, just to be safe, make sure that you are taking fruits from safe and edible trees, or you can find edible berry picking farms around you that charge you absolutely nothing. We found this really amazing yellow plum beside our house, and she was so intrigued with it. It looked so succulent and juicy. We went on to keep exploring, and we saw some actual plums that were, some were ripe, some were still getting there, but she was really amazed by them. She got to call out the colors, and she was really excited at this point where we found the actual berries that we were looking for. And these edible berries were really succulent, really ripe. We went for the ones that were dark in color, and please make sure that you are aware of the fact that the red ones are not edible, guys. The red ones are not edible. You have to go for the black ones, and we got a good amount to eat later. So when I got home, I added it to her meal, and she absolutely loved it, guys. It came together so perfectly. Second option is flower picking, and this is such a beautiful, amazing opportunity to get to talk about colors, to call out what the names of the flowers could be, like roses, sunflowers, lilies, and you can go on and on, guys, because this is summer and we have a number of flowers that are currently blooming all around us. It could be a great opportunity for flower picking. You could create a bouquet together. I and Nara decided to pick a purple flower that we added to her hat, and she loved it so much. And the third option is bird chasing. This is such a fun way to get them to be exhausted, to get them to run around with their little legs and chase after birds. Mind you, this is not bird catching. Please, this is not bird catching. It is just a bird chasing, and you get to tell them, oh, find a bird that you can chase. And then she was really excited because she kept on trying to run after them, and they kept flying away. But it was a really great opportunity for her to, really exercise herself and also really learn the names of the birds. And honestly, guys, it was such a great time out with her. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing parenting tips and tricks. Bye for now.